Hi, I'm Kay, creator of Nature Embodied and the Nature Embodied Collective, and I want to offer you a short Yoga Nidra inspired meditation that goes through the different elements of the body as the koshas, or the sheaths of the body, from the most gross, the most matter-based to the most subtle. So we'll begin as you're ready, finding a comfortable place to fully rest. And everything in this meditation is an invitation. Your body knows best. I trust you to listen to the sensory signals in your body and engage with this as you see fit. And so we can find stillness as a sense of relief that we don't have anything else to do right now. Micro movements, movement in general is totally allowed anytime. But stillness does support the threshold states between sleep and wake. So as you take your time to allow the body to settle, maybe the gaze to cast down or close the eyes, allowing for the awareness to turn inward. And as we attune to our inner state, the first invitation to feel our way through is the physical body, the Annamaya kosha, also known as the food body, our earth element. Scanning through our physical body, noting any sensations, nothing to fix. We're just observing, just checking in. And as we form our awareness in this way, noticing ourselves as the earth element at work in our Annamaya kosha. So we're just scanning through generally, allowing the awareness to intuitively move all around the physical body. And we'll next bring our awareness to the energy, the vibration that we can feel inside of us. This is the Pranamaya kosha, or the energy body, associated with the fire element. The energy surging through us in all different directions and purposes to digest, to bring life, to cycle us through. The doing part of cycling us through is the work of our energy body. It is taking these concepts into action. And so checking in with our energy body, how our energy level feels, this animating force. And again, there's nothing to fix but noticing what comes up when this is the prompt for us to tune into. And in this time, we can also come to appreciate how the energy body is an expression of the fire element, this piece of nature, alive within us, being us. Next, we'll bring our awareness to the quality of our mind. The mind is not just in the head, it is everywhere. And this quality of mind is also known as the manomaya kosha, or the mind body, associated with the element of air or wind. As the mind is this more subtle, receiving and prompting force, like the nerve endings in our body, and also the more subtle energy that act as more of a metaphysical receiver for the whole body to know something, to be connected to the knowledge of something. And as we take some time to note for ourselves the quality of our manomaya kosha, just scanning through with this awareness of the mind existing in the whole body, that knowing can live in the whole body. Not to fix, but to take note. And with that knowing that we are again an expression of the element of air as a building block of all things, that it exists too within us in this way. Next, we'll bring our attention to the flowing fluid of the body. It is similar to the emotion as it is a tangible experience. But it is known as the Vijnanamaya kosha, or the wisdom body, connected to the element of water. This is knowing taken into a deep expression where it is almost distilled. Into parts of utmost clarity and purposeful disruption for the sake of coming through confusion into deep, profound understanding. So checking in with this existing as the water of the body, the water that carries wisdom in how it connects and interacts, its specific form of knowing. Noting the quality of our inner water. Nothing to fix, just to notice. And again, to hold dear this connection that we have to the element of water as this expression of us. Our Vijnanamaya kosha, the wisdom body. And finally, we'll bring our awareness to the quality of spirit in its most uninhibited, wild form, as bliss, as the Anandamaya kosha. The trueness, the wildness, the will, the spirit body can sometimes be described as the soul. Part of us that is eternal and wild and ultimately pure awareness. And we can commune with this pure awareness, crackling, and as we scan through the Anandamaya kosha, the spirit, within us. We are noticing, nothing to fix, but so much to gain from taking the time to notice, to become aware of awareness itself. And as we close out this meditation, we might return to where we started with the Annamaya Kosha, the body of matter, with all of those body, earth-based sensory channels, allowing your hearing, your smell, your touch to attune to where you are right now, to open back into this place and time. Allowing another moment, or as long as you need, in a restful posture. Before opening the eyes up fully and taking the space around you, really landing back in the here and now. And if there was anything that came up in the meditation that you have questions about, or that you feel moved to note down, to return to later, I encourage you to do so. Yoga Nidra and meditation are wonderful tools for the creative process and the self-inquiry process. With that, I appreciate your presence here so much. Take good care.